Guys, I have an announcement to make. I'm getting married! Just kidding! I'm just here to show you guys the newest collection! Hey Glam Fam, I'm so excited that today I'm gonna be showing you our newest launch, and it is actually one of my favorite launches to date because the highly requested natural lashes that you guys have been asking for, we are launching more of them. So for the first time ever in Glamnetic history, we are launching dark brown magnetic lashes. You heard me right. We're launching 3 brown magnetic lashes in this collection. It is called the Enchanted Collection. This whole collection was inspired by the effortless look of fairy tale characters and how they just look naturally beautiful. And I hope that our natural lashes can help you unlock your enchanted fairy tale ending. All of these lashes are very suitable for everyday wear. They achieve the less dramatic look while still staying full and fluffy. All of our lashes retail for $29.99 USD, just like all of our previous lashes. And without further ado, let's get talking about the Enchanted Collection. Let's get talking about the brown lashes first because they're so special. So first off, we have Twinkle. Twinkle is a wispy cat eye, super natural and will flatter any eye shape. Next up, we have Pixie. Pixie looks exactly like the name. It's super thin, kind of like Pixie vibes, natural, short, and wispy, and ultra feather light. Look at the thin volume on that. It's gonna look very, very natural. Next up, we have Imagine. Imagine is more of a dramatic, medium to full lash. It is wispy with thicker chunks in between, so it really pulls your eyes together and makes it look more dull-eyed. And now for the black lashes, starting from the most natural, we have Wish. Wish is round and has a crisscross pattern and is a short round lash. It looks super cute and is a perfect everyday lash. Next up we have Lullaby. Lullaby is a little bit longer than Wish, is slightly less crisscross, a little bit more parallel in terms of the way that the fibers lay, and it is a round medium lash. Also looks super cute, especially on someone with almond eyes. Next up we have Fantasy, which is a style I'm currently wearing. Fantasy has large wispy chunks with a crisscross pattern in between, but it's also a cat eye and is more of a medium to dramatic length lash. These lashes are 100% vegan, made from high quality synthetic fibers. These lashes are made from a new innovative material created from a new manufacturing process that makes the lashes look just as natural and just as fluffy as mink lashes would. These lashes are designed with 6 Comfort Fit magnets, just like our Let's Get Virtual collection. The Comfort Fit magnets are the same strength as our normal thicker magnets, but they are half the size. It also comes with a much thinner lash band so that it is completely invisible when you wear them. Also gives you a much more seamless finish on your eyes. And they are pre-cut to 2.9 centimeters, so they're pre-cut to fit the average size eyes. And if you have smaller eyes, you can also trim them incrementally. That's why we have 6 magnets, 6 different increments for you to trim. And just like all of our previous lashes recently, we've added lash anchors on either side. So if you want to pop on the anchors, you can, and they're optional, but make sure to take the anchors off before you apply the lashes so that you can get a seamless finish. If you guys have any questions at all about how to apply anchors, what they are, we have an educational video on YouTube you guys can check out, as well as how to clean lashes, how to trim lashes, all of that good stuff is all on our YouTube channel, so make sure you check out our YouTube channel if you have any questions at all, or feel free to DM us and our customer service reps will be there to help you answer any questions you may have. And as a bonus to our Enchanted launch, we are dropping a dark horse in this collection. She is our newest lash curler. I know this does not look like a lash curler, but this is so innovative, guys. You probably have never seen this before. I have always had trouble curling the lashes on the outer corners of my eyes. That's why we created this baby. I've never had a lash curler be this good at curling lashes in my life. In the package, we have extra cushions. So these babies will last you a long time. There's 6 extra cushions and it's really easy to replace the cushion. You literally just have to slide it out and you can slide it back in. It's super easy. The entire Enchanted collection is launching April 9th at 10 a.m. PST. I'll see you guys there. Bye.